This is Lathurious with ABB Lifestyles, and this is Nature Time. We have a double feature by Alex G. Listen close and part of this. Enjoy.
Brand new wood and 6 copper strands, and I have told 1,000 stories, turning sorrow into gold, painting pictures of a life well lived, a memory I can hold if you listen. So listen close. Glossy face, now scuffed by song, a worn-in frame, played all day long. Dusting off 1,000 feelings I had tucked away for good, giving meaning to a heartache that I thought I never could. If you listen, so listen close. Listen close. All the love in every language, all the loss we share as well, is a reason we keep singing, so that you can see yourself if you listen. Listen close. The sky is blue, cold and silent. This room is quiet, my mind on you. You fill the space with pure amazement and fear of failing in something new. 'Cause everything has changed already, hasn't it? So much for slow and steady, but I'll go with it. I haven't even met you yet, but I don't wanna make my plans if you're not gonna be a part of them. I was minding my business when the thought of you snuck in. Now I want you to be a part
once again, this has been Sylum Lathurious with ABB Lifestyles. Thank you so very much for watching. The music today was provided by Facebook Studio. It was Alex G. Listen close and part of this. I filmed this at Silver Lake Park. If you have a chance, get out there and enjoy it. Once again, thank you for watching. Please send a like, subscribe, or share. I love you all. Stay hydrated, everybody.